Let us consider this sum. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, and so on. How many rows are the 200 logs are placed? How many logs are in the top row? Okay, right. So the total is 200. Yes, n. And we observed 20. So that is, this is the bottommost log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on up to 20. In the top row, in between that, one wooden piece is kept. Are you able to follow? Like this. In between that, in the next row. Are you able to follow this? So likewise, we had to keep 200 logs. In the first row, 20. In the next row, 19. In the next row, 18. In the next row, 17, and so on. So in such a way, that is, all these 200 logs should be stacked. So in that case, what is the question asked? How many rows are required to stack all these 200 logs? And how many logs are in the top row? So these are the two questions. Okay. So it means they have asked n, and once we are able to find out n, we have to find out an. These are the two questions. Now, we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, see, in this case, a is equal to how much? 20, is it not? This is the starting point. So a is 20. And what about d? It is 19 minus 20, is it not? So minus 1. So the common difference is minus 1, because 19 minus 20. Similarly, 17 minus 18. Now, let us substitute all these values. Sn 200, n we do not know, n by 2, 2a 2 into 20, that is 40, plus n minus 1, we do not know what n is, so put n minus 1. The common difference is minus 1. Okay. Now 2 into 200, 400 is equal to n, open the bracket. Now 40 plus minus 1 into n, minus n, minus to minus plus 1, close the bracket. Now let us bring n inside. So 400 is equal to 40n minus, and this is n squared, and this is plus n. So it means 41n minus n squared is equal to 400. Therefore, let us bring everything this side, left side. So plus n squared minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Are you able to follow? Now we have to factorize. So 400 can be factorized as 16 into 25, is it not? We can split. So minus 16 minus 25. When we add, we are able to get 41. Therefore, n squared minus 16n. n squared minus 16n minus 25n plus how much 400 is equal to 0. So n into n minus 16 minus 25 of n minus 15 16, okay, is equal to 0. So either n minus 25 should be 0 or n minus 16 should be 0. So n minus 25 is equal to 0 means n is equal to 25. n minus 6 is equal to 0 means 16. n is equal to 16. Okay. So there are two possibilities, either 16 or 25. And if we put 25, okay, it will exceed the number. Is it not? So let us have A16. So A16 means 16th row, that is the last row. Okay. So A16 is equal to how much? A. What is A here? 20 plus n minus 1, 15 into D. So minus 1. So that is equal to 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. So A16 will be 5. A16, 16th row. So there are 16 rows here. So A16 last row will have 5 trees. And why we are not taken 25? Because when we take A25 and 20 minus, plus how much? That is 25 minus 1, how much? 24. So 24, that is minus, is it not? Okay. So it will be in the negative quantity, is it not? Because A25 means A plus, that is n minus 1, 25 minus 1 into how much? D value. So D value is minus 1. So A25 is equal to 20 plus 24 into minus 1. That becomes minus 24. So in that case A25 will be minus 4. So that is ruled out. Okay, it cannot be, the count cannot be negative. Therefore, we have to consider only 16 and not this one. Are you able to understand? So the number of rows is 16. This is answer 1. Second, the number of trees in the top row, will be 5. This is the second answer. Are you able to understand?